Hello guys, welcome back our channel, and in this lecture we will discuss a very important topic after VLOOKUP. And our today's lecture is HLOOKUP, as I discussed in our previous lecture about VLOOKUP and its function and what are these simple two methods through which we can just use the VLOOKUP function. Today we will discuss how can we use HLOOKUP function with two different methods, method 1 and method 2. So we'll start our lecture without wasting time. So here you can see the data, and in this data we want to use the HLOOKUP function. So we all know that HLOOKUP means H means horizontally, so you can get the data horizontally with the help of HLOOKUP. Like if you want to get the data of James in May sales, so you can use the HLOOKUP functions to get the data of James in May sales. So how can I do this with the help of HLOOKUP? So basically you have to just select the cell, and here you can see the insert function. So you just need to click on it, and in this insert function you will get the table, and in the table if you get the HLOOKUP function here, so you just need to click on it. And if if you don't get it, so you just need to type it HLOOKUP and need to search, and here you will get the HLOOKUP function. You need to just double click on it and another table will appear. Now this table says which value you want to look up, so I just select the cell, the value which I want to look up. Now it says table array from which I want to extract the data, so I give the address of the whole table array in from which it needs to extract the data. You can also see the data and its some portions. So now it says from which row I will take the data. So we need the data of the May, so the number of row is 1 2 3 4 fifth. The number of row is fifth, so you just need to took the data, or you just need to take data from the row 5, and now we just need to write your 0. So here you can see nothing available. So if I just write here James, so here you can see we get the value, and if you want to get the value in comma, you just need to eliminate it, and you just need to get in a mail and merge center, and you can use former painter here, and you will get the values. So this is how you will use the HLOOKUP function here. If I just want to get the value of the Mark, so I will get the value of the Mark, and it is in May. So if I just want to get the value of Harry in the May, so I just need to write here Harry. This is how I get the values in the fifth row. So if I just want to get the values of the December, so I just go again insert function, and I write here 13th in the row column, so you will get the values of the Harry in 13. And if I want to get the values of the James, so I can get it. You can make some further amendments, like if I just again go in insert function, and if I want to get the values of October, so I just write here 11th. So I will get the data of October of James, so it will give me the sales of this function. This is how you can use the HLOOKUP function with the insert formula. This is a very simple tool. You can use it, and you will also get the values which is reflecting here. And another option is if you want to type it manually, so you can type like equals to HLOOKUP, and now it says which value I want to look. So I just again write here, because this is the area, lookup bracket open. Now it says which value you want to look up, so I just select the whole cell from which we want to need to look up the value. Now comma, now it says table array from which I need to extract the data, so I just select the whole table array from which it has to extract the data, comma. Now it says raw number, from which row I should pick up the data. So I just select the raw. Like if I want to get the data of February, so I just write 1 2, which is will give you the data of February, and February is in this second or third, and remaining I just write here 0, and you will get the data. And if I just write here James, you will get the value of James, and the James value is 8597. And if I want to get the data of Harry, so it will gives you the data of Harry like 5669. And if you want to change, like you want the value of May, so you just need to count it 1 2 3 4 5 5, and you will just select here, and you need to make changes from 3 to 5, and you will get the data of the 5th. If you want to get the data of the December, so you just need to go here and erase 5 and just added the 13, and you will get the data of HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP is very important and useful tool if you want to extract, or if you want to search the data horizontally. This is how we completed our first method through insert function, and also completed our second method by manually putting the formula. If you face any confusion, you can write in our comment section. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.